Today I'm going to show you how to use a green screen in CapCut. So if you have imported a video and it's got a green screen, you can actually remove the green screen by using the background removal. So you're going to come down over here, make sure that you've got your video selected. You're going to click on the remove BG. You're going to come down here and you're going to select Chroma Key. And the Chroma Key essentially will allow you to pick a color. So over here you've got the color picker. And here you can see if I click on that, I've now removed that background, but also you can change the intensity. You can make it like really intense to just to the point where all the green is kind of gone. Okay, so I reckon it's about there, and you can push play on your video, and that's what the video will essentially look like. Now you can also mess around with the shadow, the feathering of the edges, and you can also clean up the edges. Okay, so these are all wonderful features. But if you go over here on the left hand side and you'd like to insert a green screen, we can do that too. So if you come down here and you go to library, you'll be able to see all of these different sections over here. Okay, now if you come down and you'll see green screen, these are different green screens. So you can see, for example, we've got like this one here. So I'm going to just remove this video. Okay, and I'm going to download this one. I'm going to add it to my timeline. And here, this is a nice way to go use the Chroma Key. Okay, and we're going to pick that green out. And we're now going to just increase that intensity slightly. That's great. And now you can kind of put your own thing in over here. So for example, if you have your app that you would like to display on the screen, or just some type of overlay, you can add that in there. So this is a nice way of being able to use your green screen. And if you click on play, you'll see that there is slight movement. However, if you are putting your image in there, or whatever it is that you're putting in there, for example, let's do this one right here. And we're going to just do that. We're going to take this and we are going to go in here. We're going to say aspect ratio. We're going to make it 916, which is kind of like the size of the green screen. Okay. And this now, if we go in here, we can go there and make it 916 and say confirm. We now can just go back here, put it back to the size that we need, and we can just add this in here. Okay, so if we could just move it like this, we can add that in here. All right, and then we can go into tracking and motion tracking, and now you can just put that down over there, click on start, and now that will move with where there was a green screen. You'll see that will now move within the phone screen. So there's a lot that you can do with a green screen on CapCut.